Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing a Q&A video for you guys because I haven't done one in a while, and I posted a community post that I would, and I finally got to it. So I'm going to be answering some questions that you guys put in that post, and also just some general questions. So let's just get started. And by the way, while I'm doing this, I'm just going to be playing with some squishies, and yeah. So the first question I got was, what was your favorite pet, if I could have one? And for me, it would probably be a dog, just cause I think they're super cute and fun to play with. And then the second question I got was, if you could keep 3 things only, what would you keep? And I would want to keep my house, all the food we have in our house, and probably all my skincare stuff. And then the last question I got on my community post was, what is my favorite store? And my favorite store is for sure Target, just cause it has everything, and I think all their clothes are just so fun to look around. And yeah. And then here's some general questions that I'm gonna answer, which the first one is gonna be, how many paper squishies do I have? And for this, honestly, I don't even know. But if you went back to one of my collection videos, my most recent one, and counted, then you could probably figure out, but I have a few more now, so I'm not sure. Second question is, what tape do I use for my paper squishies? And my favorite tape I use for paper squishies is from Kroger, and the strongest one I have is from Target. So yeah. And then I use the mini tape rolls that you find like anywhere, even the dollar store, to tape the edges. But yeah, trying to think of questions. Okay, so this next question I have is, what is my favorite activity to do outside of YouTube, of course? And for that, I'd probably have to say, probably anything like dance related, because I do that a lot. So yeah. And then probably one of the last few questions I'm going to answer is, what is my favorite food, just because I can't think of any questions. And my favorite food is probably just like any pasta. I really like pasta, and yeah. Basically, that is it for this video, guys. If you have any more questions, feel free to comment on either my community posts or in the comments if they're open, and I'll answer them. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!